Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. I am Mary Ann Chavez, born on January 11, 1988, 38 years old, from Manila, Philippines. I am married and blessed with four children, ages 17, 11, 8, and 6 years old. I am a high school graduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking care of kids. I work as a housekeeper in a BPO company in the Philippines for 2 years and 6 months, from June 2018 to December 2020. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 4 years and 9 months, from April 2021 to January 2026. I serve one couple and three children, ages 7, 5 years old, and 9 months old baby.
Hello, Miss Mary Ann Chavez. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties in taking care of my whole family, care of the providing service that they need, especially when it comes to their baby.
Okay, so what if you damage something from your employer's house? What will you do?
Sir, I will say sorry. I will promise to be careful next time.
Okay, what if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How will you communicate with her?
Sir, I will use sign language and I will study on how to understand to speak their language.
All right, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check their if clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
Okay, so what if the employer's children are very naughty in the house? Will you beat them?
No, sir. I will just talk to them nicely, love them, and understand them. Because in the first place, they are just child who always want to play.
How will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure doors and windows are always closed. Keep sharp objects away and keep harmful material out of their reach.
Okay, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it's a wet, feed and baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, but the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do household chores.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly needed this job. It will help me to grow as a person that it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Mary Ann Chavez, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.